When we converge, understand us. When we diverge, we will also understand you. All we ask is that the church to pray for us, that in our convergence and divergence, let it not result into violence. Let it be about divergence and convergence in peace. I thank you all. Thank you very much.
Asante sana. Let us appreciate Dr. Otiende Amollo tafadhali. Thanks so much, Otiende, for taking us through the down memory lane. These are the people who voted immensely in 2007, and then the game was over. So the great people of Mala constituency that Tharaka County, can you be upstanding? So the people of Mala constituency that Tharaka County, tafadhali musimame. We also need to appreciate you. Let us appreciate the people of great constituency Mara, Tharaka County. These are the great men and women who voted to the man in 2007. Asante sana. I can even see Dr. Mbaya here. Asante sana. So at this juncture, I want to invite a very close friend. A friend who has really been of great help to us. Right now, we are under Mologe West Parish, but across there we have Chogoria PCA Church. Chogoria PCA Church, we used to have a church which was built in 1922. But courtesy of James, our Modonua, and my very close Dr. Buru Odinga, we did so many Alambis there, and now you have a very big church. So at this juncture, I want to invite my very close friend. We used to come together, even together with Betty, to do fundraising for that church, and they are very great friends. Let us appreciate Dr. Buru Odinga.